Now to the coronavirus and a public war of words between Governor DeSantis and President Biden.
As the number of COVID patients in the hospital continues to rise, the White House is calling out governors who have banned things like mask mandates, including here in Florida. And that has the governor's office firing back. News 6's Mark Lehman is live for us this morning in Orlando. And Mark, this is just the latest disagreement between the two sides.
Yeah, we've seen the two leaders clash on several issues. This one comes as Florida is hitting new records for case numbers. The president saying mandates should be put back in place. Governor DeSantis, meanwhile, says those measures didn't work before and won't work now.
Just two states, Florida and Texas, account for 1/3 of all new COVID-19 cases in the entire country.
President Biden delivering sharp criticism on Tuesday. The remarks directed towards Governor DeSantis and other officials who are moving to block COVID restrictions like mask mandates as cases are surging.
I believe the results of their decisions are not good for their constituents.
The president saying governors who aren't taking the right measures need to get out of the way. It comes as DeSantis says he won't direct businesses or schools to shut down again.
These interventions have failed time and time again throughout this pandemic, not just in the United States, but abroad.
In Florida, there are more than 11,500 hospitalizations, which is a new record, and 17,000 new cases were reported on Tuesday. DeSantis saying the state is working towards herd immunity, while the president says stronger measures need to be put in place.
The best defenses we have are the combination of the natural immunity that's been built up and our seniors first vaccination efforts.
COVID-19 is a national challenge, and it must come together. We have to come together, all of us together, as a country to solve it.
Now, DeSantis says he expects hospitalizations to drop in the next couple of weeks, asserting that this spike is seasonal. The Biden administration, meanwhile, says the data does not back that up, and saying things like mask requirements will help slow the spread of the virus. For now, reporting live in Orlando, Mark Lehman, Getting Results, News 6.
Mark, thank you. Meantime, new this morning, one Florida school district is now officially defying Governor DeSantis when it comes to masks. The school board in Alachua County, that's north of Marion, voted last night to make face coverings mandatory for the first 2 weeks of classes. They say it's because of the dramatic surge in COVID cases, but the rule goes against an executive order from the governor banning districts from mandating masks. So far, all central Florida counties say masks will be optional when classes start. That's despite calls from some parents to change that.
We're putting families in a very, very strange situation where they can't even trust that our public schools are safe for their kids to go to.
Infectious diseases with severe symptoms will only happen in the immunosuppressed, and wearing a mask will not protect them.
People on both sides of the mask debate spoke last night in Osceola County, but ultimately the board did not make any changes. The governor has threatened to pull state funding from any district that doesn't follow his order.
And as health officials push for more people to get vaccinated, Dr. Anthony Fauci is once again emphasizing almost all COVID-19 related deaths are among those who have not gotten the shot.
99.5% of the deaths due to COVID-19 are among unvaccinated people. And a very small, very, very small percentage are among vaccinated people.
Now, vaccination efforts continue today across Central Florida, including 2 places in Brevard County. Doses are being offered along with free admission at the Brevard Zoo or a free meal at the Merritt Island Pancake House. Only people 18 and older can get these shots because the Pfizer shot is not available there, but both sites will be open from 9 o'clock until 1 o'clock.